The Vietnam Design Week 2023 features a series of activities including a design competition called Designed by Vietnam, a Design of the Year award, a design fair, and exhibitions and workshops. The design exhibition is the highlight of the event. It attracted 50 designers from both Vietnam and other countries, showcasing creative and aesthetic designs in interior and exterior furniture, fashion, and marketing.
We want the event to be a bridge, linking designers with investors and manufacturers to commercialize products. People may visit trade fairs to buy furniture, but the creative design element is not that strong. We want that element to be the core here.
With the theme Embracing Constraints, the design competition conveys a message of a sustainable design industry. It attracted 150 contestants, 30 of whom entered the final. Among those, as many as 10 designs are for the public restrooms around Hoan Kiem Lake. The designs are now exhibited at the Temple of Literature. The Vietnam Design Week is expected to be a platform to nurture designers and the creative community in Vietnam.
This event emphasizes the significance of copyright. We hope it will facilitate a friendly environment for designers, where they feel protected and confident in producing more creative products, so they can turn the creative industry into an effective economic sector.
The closing ceremony is to be held on September 29th at the Temple of Literature.